Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cordyceps coffee. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from selecting your ingredients to brewing the perfect cup. We'll cover the simple steps to prepare this unique beverage, ensuring you can easily incorporate it into your routine. Get ready to elevate your coffee experience with the power of Cordyceps. Many people enjoy Cordyceps coffee for its potential health benefits. This unique mushroom is known to help boost your energy levels and reduce fatigue, offering a sustained pick-me-up without the jitters. It also supports a healthy immune system and may even enhance athletic performance and endurance. Plus, some research indicates it could assist in balancing blood sugar, making it a truly functional beverage. Making Cordyceps coffee is quite straightforward. You'll typically need 2 shots of espresso or 1 standard cup of your favorite brewed coffee. The star ingredient is 1 packet or about 1 teaspoon of Cordyceps mushroom powder. For a creamy latte, add 6 ounces of steamed oat milk and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup for sweetness. Simply brew your coffee, then combine all ingredients, stirring well until fully blended. To get the most out of your Cordyceps coffee, here are a few tips. Begin with a smaller amount, perhaps 1 gram of Cordyceps powder, and gradually increase to 2 or 3 grams daily as your body adjusts. Feel free to customize the flavor with a dash of cocoa powder or a pinch of cinnamon. This versatile powder mixes well into both hot and iced drinks. For an extra boost, try enjoying your cup about 1 hour before your workout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.